All right, this one is number 17 on Module 7 homework. What conditions are necessary in order to use dependent? So condition problem. So this is probably definitely coming straight from the textbook, but let's review this together, okay? So, well, first of all, if you want to use dependent sample t-test, the samples better be dependent. So what does it mean samples are dependent? This happens usually when you take two measures from the same subject. So for example, let's say that you're experimenting this new workout program, okay? So what I can do is I can take weights, I can measure everybody's weights before this exercise program, write that down and let that be my sample one. My sample two will consist of people's weight, same people's weight, but after the workout program. So, what will happen is, I'm going to go ahead and read this wording over here because I like this a lot. Each member of the first sample, so that consists of people's weight before the workout program, must be paired with the member of the second sample. That is people's weight after the workout program. How does it mean? What does it mean must be paired? See, if I measure people's weight twice, like if I measure Momin's weight twice, Sue's weight twice, Jenna's weight twice, Momin's weight before and after will be paired. Jenna's weight before and after will be paired. So that's a definition of dependent sample, okay? They must be paired. They should not be independent. Because for independent, you cannot use dependent sample t-test. You have to use independent sample t-test, okay? So because of the samples being independent, cross out B and C. B and C are incorrect. So what's the difference between A or D? Well, what other condition must be true? First of all, the sample has to be random, right? To represent what? Oh, to represent the population. Sorry, it's so early in the morning. All right, what's next? One is saying that it can come from any population. The other is saying that it's coming from, both has to be normal population. So, all right, I'm gonna go with D. Each sample must be randomly selected from a normal population, and each member of the first sample must be paired with the member of the second sample. So that's the answer for number 17. So, this is something that you can write down in your notebook, because if these conditions are not met, you cannot really perform dependent to sample t-test for mean, okay? So that's it for number 17 on Module 7 homework.